unajua blue inamaanisha nini? Nguvu za Mungu.
Is it right in the Bible?
Yes, sikia wewe.
The blue color
Kumbe kuna romantic words now.
You know, you're my water, baby.
What? Hello family, it's your girl Ansima and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oof. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful weather. The weather is beautiful. It's not too hot and it's not too cold. So, you know, it's like a beautiful weather. I hope you people are doing great because I'm doing amazing and we keep going honor to the Almighty God. So yes family, in today's vlog we are gonna be unboxing stuff that I have to do because yeah, thank God, things that I ordered from SHEIN, they came in time, baby Dale stuff and some balloons and all that. So everything is like in time. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy today's vlog. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And guys, why are we not talking about how I'm glowing? Don't look at these people. I just got it today in the morning. Guys, don't mind about these people, okay? Love you guys so much and let's go. Hubby's already waiting for me with my long intros here. Let's go, guys. So this is everything that I'm gonna be unboxing with hubby. So let's begin. So this is the packet, which is good. These are like Deo's balloons, I think. This thing is complicated. Mama. Oh. Nefumiseka makansi. Yeah, let me do like this. Yeah, sorry about my background. I'm not here to fix the living room, but I'm gonna do it later. But yes, yeah, these are gonna be the decoration stuff for baby Dale's party. Oh. So these are the blue balloons. Yeah, the decoration is gonna be blue and white and gold. Those are the balloons we are going for. Are you joking? They brought small gold balloon. That's why I changed from online something the place. But anyway, I hope this is how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna take like this white balloon. No, the blue balloon is gonna enter in the white balloon to give me the color that I need. I hope it makes sense. I'm not a balloon expert, but I saw it on YouTube, so that's why I went with blue and white. But the blue they brought, I hope it's still gonna do the thing. I'm not happy with the gold balloons. Gold balloons are supposed to be big, just like the white one, but I don't understand why they're so small. Oh. So this one is done, and these are Deo's waterproof shoes that we ordered. Finally they're here. I don't know why baby's foot they grow so fast. Like baby Deo is growing so fast. This is strength 7. This is waterproof in case it rains or we're in summer, because it does sometimes. That's why we bought him this. But they are not the party shoes, but like no. Yeah. Finally, I really ordered a lot of things. My clothes for the party, for Deo's party, and some clothes for Deo for the party, and I also got something for hubby and Deo. Yeah. This one I'm not gonna open it, and I also bought some stuff for my sisters. Yes, so this is for Zipporah. I'm not gonna open it, just gonna say it. But guys, this is the bag that I ordered. Just gonna take time, but yeah, this is beautiful, guys. Look, this is the bag I'm gonna have on Deo's party that I got him some good clothing, and it says mommy's boy. You guys will see it when he's unboxing his gifts. And even this is a set, and this is gonna be my drawers that I'm gonna put on. Shein give me some free stuff, y'all. So this is the necklace and the earrings and the bangle. So yeah, even this is a gift for baby Dale. Now this is for hubby. Yeah, baby, I got you something. I got you something. Yeah, here. And these are my sandals. I needed something for summer. When I went to visit my sister, I saw her with these cute sandals and I liked them. So I was like, I have to order mine. So I hope they're gonna fit. Yeah. I got you something. Hope you like it.
Let's see.
Yeah. So I bought in size 40. They're cute. Oh, guess what? The other one that I'm even gonna put on right now as we're going, because they look so cute. Open. Oh, I didn't have to fix my nails though, because they're not really looking good, but they're fitting properly. I love them, so they're good. Ah! You. Those are my sandals. I still bought you something else. It's just that I only gonna nipa my something go back everything.
Look at me more, man. Wow. Okay.
Guys, so I ordered some more sandals. These ones are cute, right? They are good. I love them. I really hope I took size 40. Thank God I took size 40. Yeah, you know when you're going at the beach. This is something that I ordered when it's like we're at the beach. Like, you know, you just cover yourself when you're putting on your bathing suit. You just cover yourself with these. You feel me? So it's just like a cute dress. Yeah. A cute beach dress. I think, this one you ordered it for baby J.O. so we can open it. His daddy ordered it. Are you sure?
Yeah, that's the one. That was the one. Yeah.
Wow, this is so cute. Daddy ordered this for Dale. It's so cute. Oh, no, imagine a 4-year-old. How can a 4-year-old boy put on that one?
Yeah.
And this is the table that we're gonna use on Dale's party. I don't want to open it right now because it's not the time, but when we are doing the decoration, you guys will see. Even this is the happy birthday cloth, and these are the cute nails I'm gonna put on Dale's day. They're so cute. And this is
and
this is the table skirt for the table. You see how it goes. Wow. The table skirt. Yeah. Valeria Ville. He doesn't like colorful clothes like I do. Yes. And we are taking a picture with this, me and you. I mean, that's the goal.
Summer.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Guys, this is the set that I ordered. Like, mine, it looks big. Maybe it is yours. It is S, but it's looking so big.
Merci.
I said merci. So it's like this and this cute set. It's so beautiful. So you're helping me to unpack. And these are just the book things that you put on your, like when you say if you don't have a bra, you can just put this. But yeah, look at these cute sandals, guys. Size 40. I think these ones are gonna be big, but yeah, they look so pretty. If I come closer to the camera, yeah. Those are the ones that we ordered that he's gonna maybe try to change in. Those ones you can open. And there is also these.
Yeah.
The basket. This is what baby Dale, the basket thing. Ni wa kidogo, yet na ni wa 4 years old.
4 years old?
Yeah. Now ni one.
For a t-shirt here.
This is just a simple.
Yes.
I ordered this. This is mine. It's looking cute, like a vest or something. Oh, this is gonna match. Like, baby, look at this. Like, if these two the match. You're not opening this.
So, no, so this is open.
No, isn't honestly. Like even that there's on your last time. So we don't want to open this outfit right now, you guys, so that you can see. No, but this one is open. And this is a gift for my sister, the one who is graduating. So you guys can all see it right now. You guys will see it when she's opening.
Oh, these ones are good.
They are good too.
Because like
and these are my heels. My heels are so beautiful. I'm just gonna show you guys one pair so I don't need to open. But look at this.
Yeah.
Baby, you're not the one who chose it. Why are you taking credit that does not belong to you? No, hakunichagulia. Hizi mimi ndio nilizichagulia mie pe. Basi unakuwa na test ya heels za hivi. Baby, achabungu.
Yes, we're done.
No, we're not done. And I'm gonna be putting on Deo's party. This is Rachel's dress too that I bought for her, so I can't open it without her. And what is this?
Let's see.
Ukingaliki na imani kama ni kulipia wengine bongo yako. No, this is my birthday outfit. You guys cannot see it right now. This is the outfit for my birthday.
Yeah.
But you can see it.
You got some.
And I bought some other jewels that I'm going to put on my sister's graduation party. These rings are so cute. Forever Heartbeat. And this is a bag that I ordered for my sister too. It's part of the gift. Last but not least, my outfit that I'm gonna put on Deo's birthday party. Yeah. Yes. Guys, this is so boom.
Enjoy it.
Baby, stop lying. You're lying during the day. Mtoto wa 4 years. These people are lying, man. Guys, I don't want to destroy my outfit, but this is gonna be like a set. Boni aita ni mama nyavo. Bebe tuanze tafuta taere sai na mudi kingaliki. Haiwezi nienia nani kuna kifua yapata hivi. Baby kifua yangu haiko yapata hivi. Guys, I will have to try this on and I see if it's gonna fit because it's supposed to be like this, and I want it to be so tight on me so that I don't need to be no. So I will try this on later. But this is white. If anything goes wrong, I'm done. And I tried.
Oh, now. I told him that.
Okay, yeah. This is also for Niliuzaka. The point for this and this was for you to and very Deo to match.
Oh, let one cut the match. What one cut the match?
And this is mine. Last but not least. Last but not least, this is mine. You see, I don't only care about myself. I also bought for my boys. You see, like.
Yeah, that match.
No, not Thailand.
Yeah, they will match.
Yeah, Daddy's gonna match with his son. So, guys, I bought this biker. Yet I bought XS. These people now, wow, this and wow, even job yet to be these colors. Baby,
yeah, that's beautiful, babe.
So this and
very
this.
Beautiful.
So
come on,
this was everything, guys. But as a 4 years. Kosa sana enda
mzuri.
Sana enda nani kizuri hata semizi zina kaptula na mwacha anaweza bakia na semizi.
Exactly.
Yeah. So this was everything.
Thank you for the
Like
comments.
in like
They're
romantic.
really, really good.
Like romantic, baby. Hang on till.
Hang on till,
Can you go
okay.
romantic?
Bisous, baby. Bisous. Mwah. Thank you
What
so
do
much.
you want someone I don't know?
Bisous. Be quiet.
Baby, you're looking at me as if I'm your enemy.
Bisous.
Baby, you have to look at me with all the love, like I'm the love of you. Yeah, my love. When I say kwanza ni wana, say tell me sweet things.
Funga macho kwanza. Unajua. Wasikia ile ni ya muru sasa. Kweli hizo.
Kumbe kuna romantic words now.
You know, you're my water, baby.
What?
Hata kama kuna mai. Hata kama niko tushi. Wewe tunaweza tu kukua.
Baby water.
Wewe. Ile maromantiki za Afrika say.
Not even sweet but water.
Yeah. Asi
Wow.
kama hata water inatoka mdunia. Hata kama mai na kama mdunia. Wewe utakuwa tu utangu ya milele. Asiki.
I will love you until like Victoria drives.
Na kwa.
Enjoy your local Atuambia Africa. I'll take bullet for you.
Ile moya baza ni matatu.
Baby, you cannot take a bullet for me.
Da. No. Ilo akimbianga sasa. Sawa mwisi wanaingia.
Guys, I'm heartbroken. My hubby saying he cannot take a bullet for me. I'm dead. I'm coming, guys. Day of the party.
Alright, you can come. But only official. So, this is the outfit. It's really good.
Really?
It's really good.
Yeah, it's good.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Yeah. So now wait, the day of the party is gonna be dang. Actually, last time you did it.
Yeah, I'll try.
This outfit is from heaven.
Yes, I'm presenting heaven. Baby, where is yours? No, baby, you're supposed to represent nguvu za Mungu, which means you put on blue. Wow, baby, give me 5. Unajua kama tulinani mzuri. Mimi navala mweupe utavala blue. Unajua blue inamaanisha nini? Nguvu za Mungu.
Is it right in the Bible?
Yes, sikia wewe.
The blue Is it?
Shine, all this stuff.
It's beautiful. Baby, you're popping.
Thank you.
Yeah. Give me the stand. Give me the stand.
Wow, this
Jay.
is okay.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah.
I just think the t-shirt is too big.
No, I think it's just good because, you know, when it's warm, so, you know.
It's cute.
It's summer, so.
Yeah, it's good.
I think this is good.
It's beautiful, honey.
Now you like stack it with the sound, so.
Okay.
So this one is just gonna go.
You like it?
I like it.
It's Air Force, so black. Damn. You're gonna look good.
Like this.
It's good. Yeah. You're popping. You're looking them cute. Kabizubashi. Yeah, air. Mwah.
I'm telling you.
Yes. Another one.
Yeah.
I bought you too, baby.
Okay, want to try. Here we go.
I see you.
With a summer outfit
This is beach vibe.
from SHEIN. I have to shout them out. Like SHEIN.
You don't need to shout them out.
Okay. SHEIN. Summer outfit.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's not bad,
This
baby.
one's good.
Yeah. When you're at the beach or something.
Let's see. Let me try.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's cute, baby.
Wow. I like this one. I mean, I like all of them. They're real good.
They're really good. Yeah, you and they are gonna pop.
Yeah, we're gonna pop it.
Yeah.
Summer, you ain't got me sunglasses.
Because
Oh,
you don't
that's
like
sad.
the one I always buy you. You have your own taste of sunglasses, which...
But it's okay, so.
But we're gonna buy you. Don't worry.
It's okay, so.
Yes. High five, you're popping. Yes, baby, you're
Yeah,
popping.
yeah.
Yay.
Okay, so
Good.
Good.